Okay, here's another view of the ocean and the waves in the water. If you look way over there, you'll see another one of these lights to help guide you in. Okay, and to give you a real close view here. That's the one for this one here. You got a nice little museum house over there too. Look at these rocks. Really high rocks. And you can see way out there. Look at that. And it's such a beautiful day. Look at this. Now you can see way over there. There's another fort. It's more or less buried in the mountains. But this is a beautiful view here. Look at that. So hope you all enjoy. Beautiful lighthouse.